Welcome to the best day ever.
In this video, I will show you how I assisted in creating the best day ever with this hanging holiday balloon garland. With a little help along the way, this ended up being the perfect backdrop for my family's at-home holiday pictures. Welcome to Event Styles LLC, where we bring the style to your events.
Good morning! Let me try to fix y'all. Okay, so I'm about to decorate my living room. I'm in Denver, Colorado right now with my family. We're on a family vacation and they're about to go explore downtown, but I'm gonna stay in so I can just decorate the living room. I'm out of breath because I just walked up the stairs, but whew. But essentially, I'm just gonna decorate the living room with some nice Christmas decorations so we can get some family photos out of the way. I just want to show you guys what the living room looks like now. As you can see, there's a beautiful fireplace right here. It's very spacious. A lot of beautiful, beautiful windows, high ceilings. It's gorgeous, really pretty. But I'm honestly just gonna focus on the fireplace, this corner right here, and probably this window over here. So I'm gonna do a nice, my goal is to make a nice hanging balloon garland around the fireplace, a Christmas tree right here, and then maybe another garland. So let me just run through the materials that I'm gonna use really quickly. I have this Christmas decoration party pack that I got from Bonropin on Amazon. White balloons. These are 36 inches. 18-inch white balloons. 12-inch white balloons. 5-inch white balloons. 36-inch red balloons. And then white and red balloons, both 12 inches. Some silver 260 balloons to connect everything together. So like I said, I'm gonna start off, I don't know if I told y'all, but I'm gonna start off with this corner right here. This is where the Christmas tree is gonna go. I'm gonna move this lamp, and also I'm moving the TV and stuff off of the fireplace, but I'm doing that next. Oh, I forgot, guys. I also use my handy dandy balloon pump to blow up all the balloons. So what I'm doing is I'm just checking to see that the quad that I built is of the same shape, because the Christmas tree is supposed to be small at the bottom and then gradually get bigger. So I had to make sure that with each additional quad, it is slightly smaller. So if you see, I have a spiral happening. Yes, buddy?
He's gone.
What's gone? Your shoes? Your shoes are right there, Jesse, look. Next to the balloons. Yes, buddy. Yes. Oh, be careful. Yes, Jesse. Jaxon. Yes, Jaxon. Yes, Jaxon. Why'd you break it?
No. You're welcome.
Come on, camera. So I gave him a balloon earlier and he literally just brought it to me popped. And now he's asking for another one. Okay, there you go. What'd he say? No, what'd he say? Here. Thank you. Okay, see you. So each cluster that I'm making has about 12 balloons in them. Some of them have 16, but that's because I was being absent-minded. The goal is to have 12 in each cluster. You see I have my 18 inches and then I have 12 and then I go down to my 10s. So it's kind of like this. So it'll create like a more natural, organic look to it. But you can honestly make your clusters in whatever pattern that you want to. I just prefer to have my big boys, my 18 inches, at the end. And I am just tying. So just like the other times, what I'm doing is I'm taking these straps. They're not straps, they're the ends of the balloon. I am going to wrap them around the other two. All right, so another thing I want to mention is that I have actual command hooks that I'm going to attach in key places on the wall where I want the balloon to have a little extra support, and I'm gonna attach it based off of the shape that I want it to have. So I'm gonna take my command hook, I'm going to attach it directly onto the little sticky part that it comes with, and this part here goes directly onto the wall. So I'm gonna hook this where I want my balloon column to start. So I'm gonna add my first cluster. Gonna be this one, and then I'm just gonna keep adding it. I'm gonna use my 260 one. I'm gonna use this first one over here to attach it to the actual hook. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to attach. I'm gonna need more balloons. but basically I'm going to take my two big ones like these. So you see these 18-inch, and then the back of this are my 18 inches. I'm going to attach it at my 10s, which are my smallest balloons. And I'm going to make one long garland, sorry y'all, that's going to be right on the floor. And again, I'm attaching it with a 260. So here's my base. So right here, I'm going to add one of my quads, one of my clusters, and I can clearly see that I'm going to need more balloons, y'all. Okay, so I have to blow up more balloons. It is what it is. So I had the 3-footer, a little peppermint candy right there. This is the cluster that I just attached. I'm going to start building the other side. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys a couple of things. For one, the TV, this base is not doing that good of a job of covering up. So what I'm gonna have to do is, I decided I'm no longer gonna have anything up on this bar. The balloons that I blew up are gonna go in here. So right here, and then also on this side, I need something covering here and then here. I'm going to show you guys how big this gap is right in here. I'm definitely going to put in a 3-footer because I don't know if you can tell, but it's a little awkward. Anyways, I just wanted to show you that I'm going to actually extend how much ribbon I leave at the end. What I'm going to do to keep them in place so it's easier for me is actually glue down each side with the balloon glue or balloon tape as some call it. So I'm going to put one down here.
And just like that, my friends, it is done. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Don't forget to give us a like, comment, and subscribe.
Welcome to the best Christmas.
Hi, Jaxon. What do you want to tell the people? Hi, Jessie.
Hey, what's AG's down? Hey, this is what Sasha.
Huh?
Hey, dude, it's from the down.
Thank you for watching the video. Let us know what you think in the comment sections down below, and be sure to follow us on our other social media pages to stay connected with us, and we'll see you in the next video.